Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be on how we made our own vegetable patch from scratch, so I really hope you like it, and let's get into it. So to begin, we laid out 3 reclaimed railway sleepers and put them into a triangle. Of course you could make yours in any shape, but we really liked the look of this. Then we screwed them together so that they would sustain bad weather using some extra long screws. You could add some plastic sheet and drill some holes into it for drainage, but we decided to just add the compost straight in. Next, I spread the compost out with a rake and my hands just to even everything out. Once I'd finished that, I added some water to the compost, ready to start planting. So the first plant I'm adding to my vegetable patch is an ambassador courgette. So I'm simply digging a hole, squeezing the plant out of its container gently, and then planting it in. With the courgettes, it's better to keep them spaced out so there's plenty of room for them to grow. So for the back of my vegetable patch, I decided to plant some runner beans. So again, I'm just creating some small holes in my patch and then planting them in. To encourage and support them whilst they grow, I'm adding some sticks and tying them loosely to each plant with some garden twine. So you'll need a stick for every runner bean that you plant. So that is how I made my vegetable patch. It's actually a lot easier than what you'd first think, and it's great to grow your own fresh ingredients. I'm going to keep you updated on the process over on my Instagram, Glam & Garden, so be sure to check that out. I'll leave a link to it in the description. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did like it. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you all in my next one. Bye guys.